Hello everyone, my name is Shivkanya. I welcome you to the Spot the Error series. Today we are going to see the 6th episode, but before we go ahead, I'd like to suggest you to watch the previous episodes wherein you will get a lot many tips and tricks about grammar and vocabulary. That will help you a lot to solve this kind of question, that is spot the error kind of question, which appears in almost all the competitive examinations and board examinations. Today we are going to start with this episode. Let's see the first sentence. All of a sudden, Sudhir remembered that he has not locked the office, no error. Here, two actions have taken place. One is remembered. The first is has not locked the office. Both the actions have taken place in the past. On a timeline, let's see it. This is the past, present and future. When two actions take place in the past, we need to be very careful about the usage of the past tense. Has not locked the office is the first action. Then he remembered that he hasn't locked it. Remembered is the second action. In such condition, for the first action, we need to use the past perfect. And for the second condition, we need to use the simple past. The structure of the past perfect is had plus PP. So the simple thing has turns into had. Had not locked. Instead of has, just take had not locked. This is the first action which happened in the past, and then he remembered that he had not locked the office. By the way, there is a complete lesson based on the simple past tense. All the things are clearly explained there. You can watch that lesson. The link is given in the I button and in the description box. Let's turn our attention to the second sentence. To acquire mastery over computer operations, one must have patience and readiness to work hard, no error. Now pay attention to section C. One must have patience. Always remember, in English, can, could, may, might, must, should, would, these are all modal auxiliaries which are always followed by V1, that is the base form of the verb. Must had is the past tense, it should be have, which is the V1. So one must have patience and readiness is the correction. So the error lies in section C here. Sentence number 3. If you listen with the questions carefully, you will be able to answer them easily, no error. Look at this phrase, listen with the questions. It should be listen to the questions. The phrase is always listen to. I listen to you carefully. So there is an error in the usage of the preposition. It should be to and not with. The next sentence. Ravi would attempt to open the lock with all his might when his spectacles slipped off and fell down, no error. We need to understand when the actions take place one after the other immediately. In the past, we use the simple past tense. Like in the example, they came, saw and conquered. Means they came, they saw and they conquered, which is a very famous quote. So came, saw, conquered. All these things happen one after the other immediately. In the same way, Ravi attempted. Simple past tense. We do not need would. Ravi attempted to open the door, then his spectacles slipped off and fell down. When the actions take place in a sequence in the past, we need to use the simple past tense. By the way, there is a complete lesson based on the simple past tense. The link is given in the I button and in the description box. Please watch it. You will get a detailed information about this tense. Sentence number 5. Having worked for the whole day, you could have taken some rest and start work tomorrow, no error. Look at this phrase, could have taken some rest. After have, we take the PP. Here have taken is correctly used. But there is one more verb, that is start, which should be also taken in the same form. So have taken some rest and started. That is the past participle of the verb. So the error lies in section D. Now it's your turn. The taxi driver who had come to receive us at the airport was speaking fluently French, no error. You are going to write the answer of this question in the comment section. Before taking a leave, I would like to suggest you to watch the previous episodes. The link is given in the I button and in the description box. You will get a lot of information about grammar and vocabulary that will help you to solve this kind of question. If you find this lesson informative, please like, share and comment on this video. You can also consider subscribing to this channel. We'll see you again in the next lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you for your time, love and support. Peace.